Welcome to the vlog. Today I'm going off my phone because I've had a crazy night and y'all see that later. And we're here, we're about to do a cruise, so check this out. I can't even hear myself. That's some good footage right there. So we're starting the cruise. So the crew just asked if I had gas, and I was like, I'll make it. I think we made it. Look at everybody's ass right there. Look, everybody's ass. We're at the practice stadium here in so there's like no way I'm gonna be like putting my car in this lineup. It's just like I don't have a paint job. Player right there. M5. So this is the beginning of the car club.
This is it.
This is her karma. Her karma. Pure karma. Pure karma. Planned it, dude. I like this.
Well,
I like this.
planned it, but it's okay.
Yeah, you planned it.
He kind of took it and ran with it, and I'm fine.
There you go.
Nobody wants to be the president. Yeah. Yep.
I thought that was up, but here would be good. Also, all in there, picked up. Yeah.
You made it really nice.
Picking up some photos. Welcome everybody.
Nice. So I guess I just really want to do a recap. Happy New Year's, everybody. And this is the end of the vlog. I mean, I just wanted to do a little quick one. It was a little pop-up, but wait a week from now. I'll see y'all next vlog. Till then, like and subscribe. Look at the me right over there. I can't even hear myself. That's some good footage right there.